Good morning, students. This is the portion for EVS 1 subject for standard 4 students. Okay, so there are total 6 chapters. They are going to come for the first semester exam. Okay, chapter number 4, 5, 8, 13, 14 and chapter number 18. The mixture obtained by dissolving a substance in water is called solution. Drinking water must be safe for our health. ORS is an example of useful solution. Some microorganisms can cause diseases if they enter our body. Boiling water kills the microorganism in it and prevent diseases. Use a dipper to take out water from a container. Brass pots were used to store water. The pump that lifts water works on electricity. The process that makes water safe for drinking, purification. The tanker that brings water to a certain area run on diesel. When the soil becomes hot and humid, the crop is sown. Dash is enough for bajra to grow rapidly. Rainwater. Scarecrows are set up in field to frighten the birds away. Grain is separated from the ear by the process of threshing. Light shells are blown away by the wind. Directions are always parallel to the ground. The distance on the map is proportionate to the distance on the ground. Nature can be our guide to determine direction and subdirection. Picture drawn using symbol is called a sketch. Man-made objects are made from natural resources. Moving objects are not included on a map. We use different symbols while making a sketch. A family grows when a new generation is born. Each family has a different number of people. As we migrate, we can see the diversity in our country. Moving from one place to another in order to live there is called migration. Friendly and harmonious relation make for joyful community life. Answer in one word. Which machine is used for lifting water? Pump. Name the process which make water safe for drinking. Purification. With what do we take out water from the container? Dipper. On what does the pump work? Electricity. Name the solution of salt and sugar given to loose motion patient. ORS. Which is the solution of the salt in water called? Saline. Which instrument is used for looking tiny and small organism? Microscope. What is the process of allowing heavier particles of water to settle down called? It is called settling. What is set up in the field to frighten the bird away? Scarecrow. From where do salt is obtained from seawater? Salt pan. Which objects are not included on a map? Moving object. Why are birds Animal, vehicle are not shown on a map because they are moving objects. What make joyful community life? What make joyful community life? Friendly and harmonious relation. Which birds migrate in search of food? Which bird migrate in search of food and shelter? Flamingo. What grows on birth of new generation? A family. Family grows. What do we call to moving from one place to another in order to live? We call it as migration. What do we see on migrating from place to place? Diversity. If in which month do we see flamingo between October to March? In which month we see flamingo, students? Between October and March. Then name the communication through which people stay in touch with each other. Letter, telephone calls, mobiles, etc. Okay? Internet. Then what do we call a picture represent using symbol? We call it as sketch. We call it as sketch. True or false? Or it is right or wrong. Okay? I will be asking you these type of question in right or wrong or true false format. Alka owns the washing machine when she has enough number of clothes. It is correct. True. Then Samir drank water from the pot and left the lid beside it. It is wrong. False है. Then an eraser float in water. इरेजर कभी फ्लोट करता है क्या वाटर पे? नहीं. फॉल्स. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म कैनॉट लिव इन वाटर. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म कैनॉट लिव इन वाटर. फॉल्स. दे लिव इन वाटर. देन alum powder does not dissolve in water. True. Tea leaves can separate from tea by filtration. True. A flock of swan flies in V formation in the sky. True. We cannot see any diversity in our country. False. Students, we see diversity. Okay. So this sentence is false. Materials for man-made object come from nature. True. Then scale in a map show relationship between distance on map and ground. It is true. Name the following. 4 main direction: east, west, north, south. Which direction is opposite to east? West. Then food products from sea. Any food product you can write. Fish. Okay. Then poultry product. Any poultry product? Egg and chicken. Next. Then write is water is stored in a metal pot. Any one metal pot you can write. You can write copper as well as brass also. But any one you have to write over here. Then what kills microorganism in water? What kills? Boiling. Boiling kills microorganisms in water. So students, with this I have finished my EVS 1 revision. Students, you have to practice this set many times. Okay. In next session I will be coming with EVS 2 subject. Okay. Bye.